Hello beauties, today we are styling up another bob, and you guys know how I feel about bobs, and this one is from Samsbeauty by Ali Hairs, and it's the Celebrity 100% Virgin Human Hair HD Lace 5-inch deep part wig bob, and it's 10 inches long in the color natural. Here is the cap construction. So we have the HD lace around the hairline and in the 5-inch part, along with 2 combs right at the temples, and then you get a comb in the back along with adjustable straps. So today I'm going to be trying something new with tinting my lace, and I'm using the Ebin Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray. Now this spray comes in so many different color tones. I got the dark brown because I actually picked this up at Marshall's and it was on sale for $3, and I think it's regular price at $10. So this stuff dries quick, it matches your skin tone, and it's waterproof, and it doesn't leave any residue. So I'm going to spray this all over the lace. I was afraid it was going to be a little too dark, but then also I didn't want it to be too orange, but it turned out to look pretty good. So I'm going to put the wig on to see how it looks. Then I'm going to go in and spray some on my wig cap because my cap is a little too light for this wig. I remove the lace, and then I'm going to go in and pluck this part. It needs to be opened up just a little bit more, but I was struggling at plucking this part. The knots in this hair is so tight in the lace, and I think I created some flyaways. But yeah, I couldn't even tell if I plucked anything out. So I'm going to go back in with my Ebin Tinted Lace spray, and I'm going to spray some on the inside of the lace. Next, I'm going to take a brush and place some on the outside parting. Now it's time to secure this unit. So I'm going to be using my Got to Be Glue gel, and then I'm following up with the freeze spray. Tie it down with a scarf for about 10 minutes. Removing any excess gel with some alcohol. Now we're ready to move on to styling, and guys, this unit is so lightweight. I couldn't believe at how lightweight and comfortable this unit is. Like those combs on the temples, I was afraid they would bother me, but they did not. Don't forget to check the description box down below. I will have all products listed along with this unit from Samsbeauty.com. So this is what the unit looks like, styled like the model on the website. It's a little too flat for my liking, so I'm gonna add some curls. Then some baby hairs. And this is the complete look, guys. I love how natural and lightweight this hair is, and the hair curls so pretty. Make sure you like this video and also comment down below and let me know if you guys ever tried any of these lace tints and what shade did you try out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.